Hello everyone, I am Mahmoud Youssef from Mutisma Has Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make rocks and clouds for our Castaway Low Poly project. To make rocks, there are many ways. We will make two today. We will start with icosphere and this icosphere on subdivision 2. Now let's go to edit mode by pressing tab. You can follow up along with my shortcuts. You can see it in here on the right side. Now we can just go to smooth, then randomize. With this randomize we can do something like that, and we can use the seeds as I show you in the tree lesson. So now we can also make something like that. Then if we wanted to just make this as a rock and make some decor on it, we can use rep region, so we can use V shortcut to move this a bit, then 2 to select edges, select all those edges. Let me just change this matte cap to something really like this so you can see. So I select this, then I press F, then ES to scale it down to have something like that. Then you could just come here and move it like that, select this edge, move it like that or like that. It's completely up to you. We can do something here also. If we come to this area and just select this and also this, and let's press V for rep region, and we have another rep region, but this region is very big. So anyway, I can take this and this, also this and this, select all those edges, then press F, ES again, scale it down to have something like that. Okay, so we can repeat this as much as we can, but anyway, this is enough for the time of the training. We could also do one thing. We could also come here and shade smooth for sure, but not leaving like that. You come to normals, then auto smooth, then do it something like this, or even, you know what, just leave it as flat, something like that without anything. So we have something like that. Okay, we can just duplicate this as much as we can, do some rotation here and there to completely get something new, then go to edit, select all, again do some randomization, but not much, to not having faces overlapping like you see there, something maybe like that, or even change the seed to 3 or so. So you have to play this around. You can also create another one of this again and again and again, and putting them on with the same angle in the scene, so it will not be noticed as the same rock. Anyway, I will show you another way. Let's hide this now. Shift A to add a cube, and I think you guess what I will do. Tab, right click, subdivide, and then I will go to smooth. In your case it will be something like that, completely formal, but once you hit smooth, make it like that, smooth one, and something around this. You can play with this, you know, and seeds, and you will have something like that. Again, we could come here and V and use the same technique of icosphere, rep region, and ES, extrude, something inside, something outside, do whatever you like, and again you have something like that. Shift D or make another cube, randomize it, play with those. This is how to make rocks as simple as that. Okay, now let's go for clouds. We will take something near the clouds. At the end I will color everything. We just using macap. At the end we will do coloring material, so on, but now let's do the cloud. Shift A to add icosphere, subdivision to okay. Let's go to edit mode, then direct we will go to randomize it to have something maybe like that. But you know, in clouds, do not make it something like that. Okay, we could do just like this maybe. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's scale it a bit. Then we can use proportional, then random proportional. You can use it by O and shift O for get the options. Then from random I will do something maybe like this, maybe like this. We could also select we selecting everything. We could also just select a small area like this and do G, something like that with proportional to have something random like this. Select maybe this area, also G to have something like that. And yeah, so it will be a cloud. Yes, G, Z, we have something like that. If it's not convincing, we could do some touches like shift A, add a cube, go to edit mode, subdivided. This time we'll make it smooth but with less fraction to have something like that. S to scale it. Then maybe we do GZ now, G something like that. Then S to scale it, G at the top. Maybe we need to randomize this a bit, something like maybe like that, and rotate it a bit to have something maybe like this. Then select both, Control J, and I think this will be a cloud. If we go here to have something like that, we could shift D this, put it there, select this by hitting L, shift D again, do some rotation, no, not with proportional for sure, do some rotation like this here, do some rotation like that, or maybe also use O, G a bit to have something different like this. Then let's set proportional, and W for selecting, G, what is that, yes, L to have some everything. Then G, put it maybe here or even there. So yeah, just try to make something random. And we have another cloud. Maybe if we rotate this like this, maybe it will be look different. Anyway, can just play the whole day with random everything. And I think also we don't need something sharp like that. It's clouds, so maybe not bit sharp like that. Anyway, you got the idea. You can randomize your own clouds, do as much as you wanna. It's your scene, and that's it for rocks and clouds. See you in the next video.